What's up, guys? It's your girl P, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a little bit of a mixture. We're doing some fried wontons. We have some spicy ramen, and we also have, I don't even know what to call this. It's like with these clear noodles. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'll show you in a second. And then snow peas, carrots, and just like seasoned with like broth and stuff like that. It's super, super good. It is literally so late right now, guys. It is like 10 o'clock. I was supposed to film earlier, but so many things happened. Just like every other day this week, but we'll get into that. First I want to start eating because I'm hungry. I mean, I ate like a couple hours ago, but like besides that, I didn't really have that much all day. There's just soy sauce for anybody wondering. These are ginger chicken wontons. Yeah, I think they're ginger chicken. Ginger chive chicken. I don't know, something like that. So good. Those are literally from Costco. If you buy wontons or any type of dumplings or anything like that from Costco, you've probably had these when they're like all white with like green on the bag. I can't remember what they're called. Ooh, this is so hot. My boyfriend's mom made this. We just call it the noodle dish. But it's super good. So, that was way too much of a bite. I must have a hole in my straw. You guys know that like sound it makes me kind of like feel not as much like suction. That's how I'm feeling right now. Excuse me. A little bit of the juice just went into the little side hole where the chopsticks go. This is the matching bowl to my chopsticks. Hello Kitty chopsticks. I love Hello Kitty. It's like the only girly thing I like. These are definitely gonna be so freaking hot. Pretty hot. Pretty hot. Ooh. These are good. I forget what brand these ones are. I think they're Minute Maid. I don't know. I forget it. It's just like spicy chicken or something like that. My favorite ones on the entire planet are the spicy kimchi ones. I think those are brand. Ooh, this is so good. I love just like, I don't even know. I just don't even know like a bunch of things at once. Like selection. Unless it's pasta. I love pasta. Big bowl, same thing. Don't matter. So, originally, I was supposed to film Tuesday, like I usually do. Couldn't do that because I went to get my bike license and like my fulls, and went to the motor vehicle branch. They told me since there was only, I don't even know, apparently the 19th to the 19th of July, from June to July, It's only 29 days instead of 30. So they're like, sorry, I can't do it today. Gotta come back tomorrow. I was like, mad. This ones don't like slurp. They're not like wet. So anyways, I made an appointment for the next day. Excuse me. So I go in and I get my full license. That was fine, whatever. And then I go back into my car to call insurance to get it set up, and then I can go back in and register my bike. And I literally go out, sit in my car, go to start the car don't start. I'm like, this is so amazing. I just love my life. And so, and I had no tools to take my battery out and let it sit, because that's what needed to be done. So annoying. So I need to wait for somebody to bring me stuff so I can unhook my battery. So I just hopped on the phone with insurance in my dead car and got that done while I waited, because no point in just sitting there. It was so good. And finally got rescued. Great. So I go back in because I'm done insurance and everything, got rescued, whatever. I go back into the motor vehicle branch to set up my registration and get my plate and everything, because I had the papers signed over, everything. I bought it last week. And then they tell me there's 2 names on the paper and they need 2 signatures. First of all, this man that I bought it from is in Thailand right now, and his wife is home. Thank gosh, because I needed his wife's signature. They let something slide, I don't know, anyways. So I got her signature. So I went to go to a location like kind of in between us. She said she'd meet. She was super sweet, best couple ever. And I went to get gas because I was literally on my gas light before I got there. I knew I needed to get gas. Go to get gas, pump my gas, whatever. Go to start the car don't start. Excuse me. I was like, are you freaking kidding me? I'm in front of a gas pump, like literally in front of a gas pump. Literally in front of a gas pump. And I'm like, so I do the same thing. And the person, it's my boyfriend's dad that rescued me before, previously. So he left me the tools to be able to do that. So I took it off. And then I let it sit for how I did before. And then it didn't work. It's like, great. Tried it again. Unclipped it. And then let it sit for 15 minutes. Didn't work. And then I was like, this is not good. So I was on the phone with my mom. I was like, I don't know what to do. Like, I'm gonna have to tow this thing. Like, I have to go meet this girl to get this signature. I was like, I'm stuck at a gas station. So then her boyfriend came and saved me. He used to work in a shop. So he was like playing with it. And it's my car starter. Then we found out it's actually my transmission because it's not shifting completely. So it's triggering my car starter to go in like anti-theft mode. And my car thinks it's being stolen, so it won't let me start it. Super fun. So anyways, I get rescued. Whatever. The lady comes to the gas station to meet me because I was there for like 45 minutes. And I was like, I'm so sorry. She was like, it's whatever. Like, I feel bad. And I was like, don't worry about me. I just have really bad luck. So I finally get the paper with the signing and everything, and then I go back to the motor vehicle branch and finally get my papers and my plate for my bike. And then after I literally brought my car, wouldn't turn it off, my mom's boyfriend sat outside with my car while I went and did this. Shout out to him. That was amazing. Because I was scared it was gonna not work again. I was like, I'm just gonna be stuck here. And then I went home, did not turn off my car, went down to my underground parking. Took everything out my car because the car starter place I put in it, when you bring in your car, you're not allowed to have literally like a lick at anything. Like, no papers, no stuff on the ground, no nothing in your trunk, nothing in your dash, nothing, like, you basically have to pretend you're like selling it, like clean it out completely to get in there. So I ran home, did that, did not turn off my car the entire time because I was like so annoyed. So I clean it out, drive it all the way to that place. Then my grandparents come and pick me up because I had nobody else to drive me again, and I was like farther away this time. And I got the call last night, like literally 10 minutes before they closed. They're like, hey, it's ready to be picked up. It's not the starter. It's your transmission. And I was like, that is so amazing. And then also, in the middle of this, my boyfriend texted me a picture of his freaking, somebody hit his car at work with their car. And it was red with their door. I was like, what kind of a day is this? Like, I've been having really bad luck my whole freaking life. I can't even say this week because it's not. It's literally my whole life. My whole life. But whatever. I have my bike now. I actually took it out last night and tonight. It was super fun. I love it. Still a little tall, but like I'm literally barely 5'3". I'm just under 5'3", and the bike is like for somebody like 5'5". So excuse me, I'm tippy-toeing a little bit, for sure, like definitely for sure. And like if I'm on a hill or like facing backwards, I definitely find it harder to push my bike up when I'm just like standing. But what do you do? What do you do when you live in a shoe? Sorry, thumbnail maybe. Oh, excuse me. So yeah, that was my adventures the past couple days. So I haven't filmed. I literally didn't even get home till like 10:30 last night. And I had to be up for work for 6. It's never ending. Always something to do. Always something. I love pan-fried wontons. And they get a little crisp. My straws, almost said. Ooh. Excuse me. Excuse me. What the? What? These are good. Costco's pre-frozen, like, stuff is usually pretty freaking good. Like, what did I pick up? Oh, I'm actually so excited. I found samosas, like, pre-done, and they're not frozen. You just heat them up in the oven. I found those. I'm gonna bring them to work. I'm so freaking excited. I love samosas. Love, 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 love them. So, yeah, I'm definitely gonna be eating those at work. Steam is in my eyeball. Excuse me, that was aggressive. This bowl is so deep. There's a little bit left. There we go. Just a little spicy. Try to share the soy sauce. This brand, kind of like too salty. I know it's supposed to be salty, but like, not like that. Last wonton. I have like no pop left. I didn't even bring a water. I'm usually prepared. Not tonight. Well, guys, thanks for eating with me today. I hope you enjoyed my terrible story, because it was awful for me. But I have my bike now, so that's all that really matters, right? For sure, definitely. It's probably like 10:30 or 11 o'clock now. I have to be at work for 7 a.m. Love that. Love that for me. It's the best ever. Next week I will be on time, guys. I don't have, well, I'm always doing things and work and stuff, but I don't have to do anything crazy like try to run around for a bike and my car dying 1,500 times. That still might happen. I might just jinx myself. Whatever. Anyways, if you haven't already, go like, subscribe, and comment down below, because what the heck? You aren't subscribed and you've been watching my videos. What are we doing? My wrists are broken right now. Anyways, that's besides the point. Yeah. I hope you all have a good night. Like I said, subscribe. Anyways, have a good night, guys. I will see you next video. Bye.